Guys, good evening and welcome to my channel, Calm's Mind. And today, well, as you can see, wala tayo ngayon sa exact spot or where to make my vlogs. So what I'm going to share this evening is paano natin hindi masayang yung mga food. And thank you pala sa mga new subscribers right now. We're at 43 subscribers. Thank you talaga guys, So ngayon, this is totally different thing. I'm going to cook a homemade pizza bun dito sa bahay mismo. Okay? So ito na, i-share ko na sa inyo yung mga ingredients para, and yung ano pala, the main goal here is hindi magtapon or bawal tayo magtapon ng extra, like for example extra sauce or mga food natin na nilalagay sa ref for 3 days, 4 days. Pwede naman actually natin kainin by the help of your resourcefulness, guys. The mind ideas, guys. So let's start. So guys, things to prepare: 10 pieces ng onion rings. Instead of white onions, yan muna ginamit ko kasi hindi ako nakabili. Yan siya. So kunin nyo lang yung mga outer part of onion rings. Nakuha ko dyan is the outer part only. Tapos ito na yung spaghetti meat sauce kanina na konti. Nilagyan ko siya ng 1/2 cup ng sweet Filipino style spaghetti. For you to know the exact measurements, guys, ito siya, 1/2 cup yon. Tapos cheese, yan, and 6 pieces of buns na mabibili niyo sa bakery. So ito lang yung ano niya, ingredients. So simple para hindi niyo matapon yung extra sauce. And what I'm going to do here is gamitin natin yung oven, guys. Yan. Alright, let's start. So ito na yun, guys, yung buns. Bali ito, I cut it in half. So ito yung mangyari. So 6 pieces, pwede tayong gumawa ng 12 slices of bun. And may napansin lang ako, sino to? Yung aso ko nakatingin sa akin, guys. Si Chigo. So here, ito yung spaghetti sauce. Ang gawin natin is, actually this is the most common treats para sa mga may anak dyan. Hello guys! Sa bahay. So spread nyo lang. Not too much kasi pangit siya. Para sa akin lang, not too much of spread of spaghetti sauce. Sakto lang. Hindi rin konti. Minimix ko pa, guys. Mix natin. So yan, malapit na yung aso ko. Namoy niya na siguro. So next step here is, sa style ko lang, onion rings. Isa. And dalawa. So ganito yung tsura. See? And the next step is grated cheese. Yun, kitang kita. Uy, you want to eat na, Chigo? Sikat na sikat si Chigo dito, mama. Nandito siya. So grated cheese, lagyan nyo ng on top. Ito yung pinagmamayabang ko sa commander ko guys eh. Kasi marunong ko talagang magluto. I've been cooking since 2012. 2012 guys. Nagluluto na ako. So done. Ito na siya ngayon. Okay? Since we're done with the first one, lagay na natin siya sa silver platter para siya dun sa oven guys, oven or oven, not oven, it's oven, nakakahiya. Ayan, we're done with the first one. So what we're going to do is the rest of this bun to be filled with ingredients. Woo! Okay. So 1 and 2. Yan. Kita nyo guys, parang Chanel. Oh. Chanel. May nakalimutan pala ako guys. Yung kapatid ko. Shout out to Emilu. I'm cooking pizza bun here. This is homemade. I hope you like it. No joke lang, nasa Qatar ka kasi. Sorry naman. Chico, come here. Come. Yeah, that's my dog, Chico. 8 years old, but he still loves to play. 8 years old na dog. Ano yun? Mabagsik. Basta food talaga, he loves it. My style of cooking. Take note guys, melted cheese gamitin nyo kung meron kayo sa bahay, pero kung wala, you can use cheddar or something. So next natin ng mga vlog is I'm going to share to you the secrets of my family recipe. Secrets were in kakaiba siya, even though it's just only a local dish here in the Philippines, like adobo, kung paano magluto niyan, ano pa ba, sinigang, and etc. So ito na guys yung end product ng ginawa nating pizza bun. Okay, kita niyo yan guys, ang sarap-sarap with cheese on top. Oh, by the way pala, since we're dealing with resourceful cooking, yung ginamit kong cheese, ito, sa hamon de bola pala to guys. So yung hamon de bola namin, last year pa yon, like December, so ilang months na ngayon, so it's like almost 9 months now. And the reason why I use this, because you need to check your expiration date ng mga hamon de bola nyo, because sometimes, or hindi naman sometimes, it will take like a year or a year or two before siya mag-expire, or let's just say 3 years. Okay, so ilagay na natin siya ngayon guys sa oven natin. So ito na yung oven ko, Ram Emar Flex, and of course this is not a promotional video. So what we're going to do here, since merong multiple switch, so from here, this is where the heat will concentrate. So since ginamit ko is yung silver platter, the reason why is gusto ko hindi masunog yung baba, and yung concentration ng heat is nasa taas lang talaga para maluto tong onions, cheese, and mainit yung sauce. And yung i-choose natin is this one. So sa oven na to, meron siyang instructions. Toast 5 minutes, bake 30 minutes, hindi tayo magbe-bake. Roast 35 minutes, and pizza here 10 minutes. And before you cook pala, you need to heat first your oven 1 or 2 minutes, ganon. So, kita niyo yan guys, 1 or 2 minutes lang para yung moist sa loob is mawawala. This oven was not used kasi for 3 months, and then yung room temperature namin sa bahay is air conditioned, so there might be a chance na meron talagang moist sa loob. Yun, tapos na yung 2 minutes. Kinat ko lang guys kasi ang tagal na. Sumobra ng 2 to 3 minutes, so ilalagay na natin siya sa loob. There. So from there, we need to adjust it to 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. And then there it goes. Tayo natin maluto guys. I'm so excited, ha? Hello guys, so ito na yung after 10 minutes. So as you can see, luto na siya. Kita nyo yung cheese on top. Medyo brownish, yung iba nasunog. Preferably talaga sa mga ganitong luto is melted cheese, yung quick melt ng Eden, or mozzarella. Mas masarap yung mozzarella guys kasi it will entirely cover the areas such as this example. So as you can see, yung natirang sauce wala na, nandyan na lahat. Here. And yung natirang hamon de bola na cheese, ganyan lang siya. And tanong lang, sana yung natirang onion rings, so yung natirang onion rings is this one na lang. Gagawin nyo dyan is to fridge na lang and then use it next day, or maybe mamayang umaga, because right now is exactly 11 na ng gabi. Alright. Para pala sa mga subscribers ko dyan, thank you for watching, and also you yung nanonood ngayon, if you like the video, please hit like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this, like what I've done ngayong gabi na to. Okay? My plan kasi is to share all the ideas that will come up on my head, on top of my head every day. So stay tuned guys, magluluto pa ako ng mga secrets namin sa pamilya ko, ha? I'm going to share it to you. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.